Okay, now we've finished our family and we're ready to use it inside a Revit project. There's a couple more things we're going to do before loading it and using it in a project. The first thing will be to create a couple of family types. So to do that, we go to Family Types dialog box up here, create a new type, and we'll call this one 1200 width by 700 depth by 740 height in millimeters. It's important to give clear and concise information in your type names so that the users in your project know what this type refers to and its key characteristics. Click OK. So this is already 1200 by 700 by 740. I'm going to create a new one called 600 width by 800 depth by 740 height millimeters. So I'll change the depth to 800, height stays the same, 1600 width. Click apply, and you can see how the dimensions change. And there we go. The other thing I need to do is to save the family and give it a suitable name. As you can see, Revit just provides this family 4 as a default name. So I'm just going to go File, Save As, Family. And I've got myself a Families folder in here. I'm just going to call this Desk Rectangular because it's a rectangular desk. Click Save. So now you can see that the name has changed here. So now I've got myself a Revit project open with a floor plan. So now to load this family into my project, I can click Load into Project, or I can click Load into Project and Close, which will then close the family as well. So I'm just going to click the Load into Project, and you can see that it instantly wants to place a family, and you can see how the placement point is where we previously defined it in terms of the origin on that upper edge of the desk there. So I can click here, and there we have it. If I click on it, you see it goes translucent. You can see the legs, but in plan, because the legs are beneath the tabletop geometry, I can't see them. If you click on the family, I've got the family names, so Desk Rectangular, and I've got this 1200, 700, 740 type. Click on the drop down, and I can then change this to the other type, and you can see how it expands and changes the size. So that's it. That's how you create a basic Revit family and load it into a project. The next section will look at creating more complex geometry and developing this desk even further. I'll see you then. Thanks.